Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. Students, you know me. I am Farida Yasmin, assistant teacher, SNUR High School, Jiri, Potia, Chattogram. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Zainul Abidin, the great artist. For class 10, unit 7, lesson 1, section A. My dear students, first you take the book and read the passage silently. Section A. I like to read some sentences from section A. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainal Abidin is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketches. Through the series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943, but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plight. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic images of human suffering. Okay, you have to read the whole passage and you have to understand the meaning also. I have written some vocabs on whiteboard. Look it. Pioneer. I think you know it. Pioneer is a noun and its synonym is founder, leader, promoter, beginner and pathfinder. Next, acclaimed. You know, acclaimed is a adjective and the synonym of acclaimed, renowned, celebrated. Then famine. Famine is a noun. Its synonym is starvation, scarcity, hunger. Sinister. Sinister is an adjective and its synonym is hard times, evil. Next, charcoal. Charcoal is a noun. Charcoal, its synonym is carbon, wood charcoal. After burning the wood, we get charcoal. Next, document. Document is a verb and its synonym is record. Harsh. Harsh is the adjective and its synonym is cruel. You will try your best to find out the synonym. After better understanding, we will do the best answer. I have written some best answer on the blackboard. You have to find out the correct answer from this. First, I have written Zainul Abidin was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1914 or 25 January 1915, 3rd 20 February 1915 or 4, 23rd February 1916? Which would be? I think you know the correct answer. It would be 29 December. Okay. Now next, number B. What does the word sinister refer to? We have written in a vocabs. Sinister means. So we have written 4 words. Sinister means harmful, unhappy, cruel, dangerous. You will get it from here. Sinister, hard times, evil. Which would be? It would be sinister means harmful. Okay. Which of the following made Jainul recognized widely? His sketches on cyclone. Number 2, his sketches on famine. His founding folk art museum. Number 4 is his being Shilpacharya. Which would be? I think you know this. It would be his sketches on famine. Okay. Now D. He made his own ink by burning charcoal to fuel 3 stone 4 water. Which would be? Okay, it would be charcoal. I think you know all. Now number E. What does the word pioneer mean? Number 1 is famous. Number 2 is rich. Number 3, brilliant. And number 4 is founder. I have already written here. You can get it from here. It would be Pioneer means founder. Okay. You have to, in this way, you have to do many answer, best answer. You will make it and find out those best answer. Now, I like to give you some answering questions. First one is, who is Zainul Abidin? Number B, what influence did the river Buriganga, river Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra have on Zainul Abidin? Okay. What influence did the river Buriganga have on Zainul Abidin? Number C, why is Zainul Abidin been called Shilpacharya? Shilpacharya. Okay. Why is Zainul Abidin called Shilpacharya? Number D, what did Zainul Abidin organize in 1969? Okay. One more. Okay. Number D. Number E, why did he draw Mantura? I think you know all. This is your homework. Okay. No more today. keep clean and read attentively. Keep yourselves neat and clean and the best. Okay, bye.